In 1992, CTA employees started donating their time and money to build food baskets for members of the local community. The food baskets were delivered via out-of-service rail cars on the L system. One of the L cars, running on the blue line, put a sign out front of the car that said, "Happy Holidays from the CTA." This was essentially the start of the CTA Holiday Train. But that initial train was a far cry from the trains we have now. 26 years later, the CTA Holiday Train includes not only Holiday Train itself, but also the Elves Workshop Train. Having lived in the city for the last 5 years and loving Christmas, you'd think I would have already ridden these trains, right? No, I've actually never ridden the Holiday Train. So today, I'm finally making good on that. I'm gonna ride the Holiday Train as well as the Elves Workshop Train, and hopefully talk to some volunteers today to see why the Holiday Train is so important to them. Today, the train is still a huge part of the holiday season here in Chicago, but that almost wasn't the case. Proposed budget cuts ahead of the 2005 fiscal year put the Holiday Train on the chopping block. But with enough support from CTA board members and the community, the train was saved. The train was on the pink line earlier, and there is the junction between the pink and the blue line just west of here, actually. So it is now coming down from over by Rush. It's coming on to the tracks right now, and then what it'll do is it'll end up going a little bit further down the line here. But first, it's got to go past this going east to be able to switch to the westbound lane, and here it comes. As of 2016, due to the overwhelming demand for people to be able to ride the Holiday Train, they went ahead and they added another train to the mix as well, and that is the Elves Workshop Train. Hello. Go. Whoa. Oh my gosh, and the seats. So we've got tinsel on the ceiling. There you go, you can see that there. A number of bad puns here.
Welcome aboard the Holiday Train.
So just got off the Santa's Workshop Train. That was incredible. That's really amazing what they're able to do with just volunteer support and reusing decorations every year. It's really fantastic, the work that they do, and all the volunteer employees are incredibly engaged and excited to have everybody on the train. So one train down, and now we'll take a look at the Elves Express, the Elves Workshop now.
There's the button.
Perfect, thank you. Hello.
Elfie.
It's actually super cool when you go in the tunnel, actually. So I am here with Sugar, the elf.
Yes.
Hi, Sugar. Thank you for speaking with me. I know you're very busy. I know helping out Santa. And
Yes.
Santa's kind of over here getting ready with all the kids. So, Sugar, how many years have you been working with Santa here on the Holiday Train?
I have been with Santa since 2014.
Okay.
And so this is my 4th year.
Wonderful. How does this year compare to other years you've been riding the train with Santa?
Well, I would say every year it gets better as far as everything on the train. Weather-wise, you know, this is Chicago, so
Right,
that shifts.
exactly.
But it's nothing like the North Pole.
Right. How is it having the other Elves Workshop train too? Because I'm sure before the second train, I'm sure it would get really packed on Santa's Express. So how is it having that ability to have more people on and not be so busy?
Definitely helps a lot. The Elves train was added maybe 2 years ago, and it helps a lot with the crowd control because there's so many people who bum rush the holiday train.
Sure.
And unfortunately, sometimes we're not able to let everyone board. So, you know, of course, you never want to leave anyone behind.
Right.
So adding the Elf Workshop train actually helped us a lot. It helps a lot, yeah.
The CTA and Santa and everybody, you know, donate a lot of gift baskets and food baskets to families in need in the area. You know, do you personally deliver some of those, or do you and some of the rest of the elves do that?
Yes, it's me as well as some of Santa's favorite elves. And Santa himself, we all chip in and help with that.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, Sugar. I'll do the left-handed shake. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Take care. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. A big thank you to the CTA for letting me interview some of the elves. It was a great experience to kind of learn what they do and, you know, why they enjoy helping out Santa so much. Definitely go check out their YouTube page to get some more information about how they maintain the trains, the history of the system as well. And definitely subscribe to my channel as well for more videos about the L and its history. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays, everybody.